Are you looking for a unique opportunity in Canada? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 139 Sonesta Circle. This floor plan offers a main floor master bedroom. Rarely available, but lots of space here, so if you're thinking of maybe downsizing and getting into one floor living, this home might be the right home for you. Come on in and have a look. Thanks for taking the time to visit 139 Sonesta Circle. If this unique main floor master bedroom floor plan appeals to you and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. Thanks again for taking the time to visit, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.